Hello my dear students, welcome back to your video lesson. I'm Shweta Gupta, your maths teacher, and today I'm going to teach you lesson number 16. The topic of the lesson is lines, angles and shapes, and today I will teach you part 4 of this chapter. So let's get started. Children, in this video lesson, we will learn about triangle. So, what is a triangle? Let us see. A triangle is a closed figure formed by three line segments. So, children, can you see the picture? Yes, it is a picture of a triangle. And see, it is a closed figure and it is formed by three line segments. The triangle ABC, which is given in the picture, it has three sides, right? Side AB, side BC and side CA. So, triangle has three sides. It has three angles. Angle ABC, angle BCA and an angle CAB. Or simply we can say angle B, angle C and angle A, which are formed at vertex B, vertex C and vertex A respectively. A triangle has three vertices. Children, vertices is the plural for vertex. So here we can see that a triangle has three corners or three vertices. Vertex A, vertex B and vertex C. The symbol for triangle is this. Can you see the symbol? Yes. So this is the symbol for triangle. The triangle ABC can also be called as triangle BCA, triangle CAB, triangle BAC, triangle ACB or triangle CBA. So children, after learning what is a triangle, let us see or let us learn different types of triangles. Triangles are divided into three types depending on the length of their sides. The first type of triangle is equilateral triangle. So, what is an equilateral triangle? Well, an equilateral triangle is a triangle which has all the three sides equal or in which all the three sides are equal. So children, in the picture you can see the equilateral triangle, that which is triangle ABC, where all the three sides, side AB, side BC and side CA are equal, right? And all the three angles, that is angle A, angle B and angle C, is equal to 60 degree. Children, this sign means equal. The sign which you can see on each side of the triangle, it shows that all the three sides are equal. Okay. The second type of triangle is isosceles triangle. In this type of triangle, two sides are equal and the unequal side is called the base. So children, you can see in the picture, here we have a triangle ABC where sides AB and AC are equal and one unequal side, which is side BC, is called the base of the triangle ABC. Clear? The angles formed by the equal sides with base are equal. That is, angle B is equal to angle C, right? Because angle B and angle C are formed by the equal sides AB and AC with the base BC, and that is why these two angles are equal. Angle ABC, or we can simply say angle B, and angle ACB, or we can simply say angle C, both are equal. The third type of triangle is scalene triangle. In this type of triangle, no two sides are equal, means all the sides are unequal. And all the angles of this triangle, that is scalene triangle, are unequal. In the picture, children, you can see the triangle ABC, and it is a scalene triangle where all the two sides or all the sides are unequal, that is no two sides are equal, and all the angles are unequal. Children, triangles are also divided into three types depending on their angles. Let us see how. The first kind of triangle is acute angle triangle. So what is an acute angle triangle? Well, in this type of triangle, all the three angles are acute. And children, you know what is an acute angle? An acute angle is an angle which is less than 90 degree. So in the given picture, you can see an acute angle triangle where all the angles are acute, means all the angles are less than 90 degree. See here, angle A is equal to 80 degree, angle B is equal to 65 degree, and angle C is equal to 35 degree. So all these angles are less than 90 degree. That is why all of them are acute angles, and that is why this triangle ABC, is an acute angle triangle. The second type of triangle, depending on their angle, is an obtuse angle triangle. So in this type of triangle, one angle is obtuse and the other two angles are acute. So, you know children, obtuse angle is an angle which is more than 90 degree but less than 180 degree. So, children, in this picture you can see that we have a triangle ABC, where one angle, that is angle ABC, or simply angle B, is equal to 100 degree, which is an obtuse angle. So one angle of the triangle is obtuse, that is why it is an obtuse angle triangle. The third type of triangle based on their angle is a right angle triangle. So children, in this type of triangle, one angle is equal to 90 degree, or we can say one angle measures 90 degree. The other two angles are acute angles. So children, you can see in the picture there is a right angle triangle where one angle is equal to 90 degree. Okay, and children, you know, the opposite side, the side which is opposite the right angle, is called hypotenuse. Can you see? Well, the side which is opposite of the right angle, that side is called hypotenuse. In a right angle triangle, the side which is opposite the right angle is called hypotenuse. Now children, let's come to exercise 16C. The second question of this exercise says, look at the figure and fill in the blanks. So children, in this figure you can see there is a triangle DEF. So what are the questions? Let us see. The first question is, the triangle can be written symbolically as, well, it can be written as triangle DEF. Let's move to the second part of this question. The sides of the triangle are, well, you know, what are the sides of the triangle? Let us write DE, EF and FD. The vertices of the triangle. So, you know, the triangle has three vertices. So what are the vertices? Well, they are vertex D, vertex E and vertex F. The angles of the triangle are, well, they are angle DEF, angle EFD and angle FDE. Now let's come to question number 3 of this exercise, and this is the B part of question number 3. So, how many triangles are there in each figure? Write their names in your notebook. So we are doing the B part of this question. So in this question we can see the figure and you have to tell us that how many triangles are there in this figure. Well children, you know the number of triangles in this figure is equal to 12. And what are these triangles? Let's name these triangles. The first one is triangle PMN. The second triangle is triangle MON. The third one is triangle PQN. The fourth one, triangle PMR. Fifth one, triangle QOM. Sixth one, triangle QNM. Seventh, triangle QRN. Eighth, triangle QRM. Ninth, triangle QOR. 10th, triangle RMN. 11th, triangle RON. 12th, triangle PQR. Now let's do question number 4 of this exercise. Write scalene triangle, equilateral triangle or isosceles triangle. So let's see the A part. In this we can see a triangle whose sides are 6 centimeter, 6 centimeter and 4 centimeter. Since in this triangle ABC two sides are equal, so this is an isosceles triangle, right? Now let's come to the C part of this question. Here children, you can see all the angles of the triangle are equal to 60 degree. So children, you know that in an equilateral triangle, all the angles are equal to 60 degree. So this triangle, triangle DEF, is an equilateral triangle. Now let's move to the F part of question number 4. Here children, the sides of the triangle are 7 centimeter, 6 centimeter and 5 centimeter. So all the sides of this triangle are unequal, or we can say no two sides of this triangle are equal. So this is a scalene triangle. Now children, let's come to the last question or the fifth question of exercise 16C. The question is, write acute angle triangle, obtuse angle triangle or right angle triangle. So the A part of this question, you can see a triangle having three angles which is equal to 50 degree, 70 degree and 60 degree. Since all the angles of this triangle are acute angle, that is they are less than 90 degree, so we can say that it is an acute angle triangle. Now let's come to the E part. In this triangle, children, you can see that one angle is equal to 90 degree and the other two angles are 30 degree and 60 degree. That is, other two angles are acute angle. So since one angle is equal to 90 degree, so this is a right angle triangle. Now let's come to the F part of this question. Here you can see that one angle is equal to 120 degree and the other two angles are 27 degree and 33 degree. Since one angle is 120 degree, which is more than 90 degree and less than 180 degree, that is, this angle is an obtuse angle. So we can say that this triangle is an obtuse angle triangle. I hope, children, that all the questions of this exercise is well understood by all of you, and also you have learned very well what is a triangle and the different types of triangle based on their sides as well as on their angles. So now let's move to the home assignment. Children, this is your home assignment and you are going to do this home assignment in your maths homework copy in a very neat and clean handwriting. Children, this is your home assignment and you are going to do this home assignment in your maths homework copy in a very neat and clean handwriting. So this way, children, we have come to the end of this video lesson. Thank you, my dear student, for watching the video lesson till the end. Keep watching, keep learning.